Tired of seeing reels on Facebook and want to hide them? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process on how to hide the reel option on Facebook. So let's get started. Open the Facebook app on a device. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Select tab bar below the Preferences section. After that, tap on Customize the bar button. Tap the toggle switch next to the Reels icon. After that, select the Hide option to hide the Reels. And that's how you can hide the Reels option on Facebook. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss out on more helpful guides like this.